Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Unity's linear versus gamma color spaces. We'll dive into how these two fundamental approaches handle light and color data within your projects. Understanding their distinctions is vital, as the chosen color space significantly impacts your game's visual appearance, from subtle shading to overall scene brightness. We'll explore why one might be preferred over the other for achieving realistic and consistent rendering results across various platforms and display types. Gamma space is the traditional approach, where color values are directly interpreted as they appear on older display devices. Historically, displays had a nonlinear response to input signals, often around a 2.2 power curve. When lighting calculations are performed in this nonlinear space, light intensity doesn't combine physically correctly. This can result in lighting that appears overly bright or washed out, especially in areas with high luminance, making it less suitable for modern physically based rendering. 4.9. Linear space, conversely, treats color values as direct representations of light intensity, enabling physically accurate lighting calculations. When you enable linear rendering, input textures, typically stored in gamma space, are automatically converted to linear for processing. 7 all lighting and shading operations then occur in this linear space, ensuring light fall-off and blending are mathematically correct. 4 Before the final image is sent to your display, it undergoes a gamma correction step, ensuring it appears correctly on your screen. 7. For most modern three-dimensional projects, linear color space is the recommended choice, offering superior lighting accuracy and visual realism. 7, however, gamma space might still be necessary for compatibility with older mobile devices or specific graphics, APIs that do not fully support linear workflows. 9 It's crucial to test your project thoroughly in both settings, accessible via project settings under Player, to observe the visual differences and ensure your art assets and lighting behave as intended across your target platforms. 12.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.